Hey there, curious minds. I'm your lab-coated T-Rex, and today we're roaring straight into one of the oldest debates, why the Earth isn't flat. Grab your claws and let's dig in. First off, if our planet really were a giant pancake, you'd expect to see the edge, right? Yet when you watch a ship sail away on the ocean, it doesn't shrink uniformly until it vanishes. It disappears hull first, mast last. That happens because the Earth curves beneath the waves, hiding parts of the ship as it moves beyond your line of sight. A flat world simply wouldn't produce that disappearing bottom effect. Next, let's look up at the moon during an eclipse. When the Earth positions itself between the sun and the moon, our planet casts a shadow on the lunar surface. And that shadow is always round. Only a sphere can project a consistently circular shadow from every angle. A flat disk might create an ellipse or distorted shape depending on its orientation, but our observations always show perfect curves dancing across the moon. Now, gravity. On a flat Earth, down would pull straight toward the surface everywhere, but science tells us that gravity pulls objects toward the planet's center of mass. Imagine dropping 3 balls at different points on a giant sphere. You'll see all of them accelerating toward the middle. That universal inward pull keeps our oceans glued to the globe, our feet firmly planted, and explains why down feels the same no matter where you stand. What about long distance travel? Commercial airplanes don't draw straight lines on a flat map. They follow great circle routes, which look curved when plotted on a flat projection but are actually the shortest paths over a sphere. Pilots constantly adjust their headings to account for Earth's curvature. If our world were truly flat, flight plans would look completely different, and trips from New York to Tokyo would take far longer than they do today. And then there are the countless photos and videos taken from space. From the first glimpses by weather balloons to the crystal clear images from the International Space Station, astronauts and satellites consistently capture a beautiful blue sphere hanging against the black void. Those snapshots aren't CGI, they're the real deal, showing our planet's round shape in vivid detail. Some flat Earth theories argue that gravity is an illusion, or that we're inside a colossal dome, but these ideas struggle to explain phenomena like time zones, why sunrise sweeps across Asia hours before it does across the Americas, or why satellites can orbit smoothly around a curved surface but would crash into a flat disk. So let's recap. Ships disappear hull first because of curvature, lunar eclipses always reveal a circular shadow, gravity pulls toward the center of a sphere, flight paths follow great circles, and space photography leaves no doubt. Combine all these lines of evidence, and you've got a mountain of proof that Earth is, without question, a globe. Thanks for stomping through this journey with me. If you enjoyed unflattening the myths and want more bite-sized dino-powered science, stomp that subscribe button and leave a roar in the comments for the next topic you'd like me to tackle. Until next time, keep your eyes on the horizon and your feet on the globe.